Today I'll be showing you how to make a sideways cake. Hey guys, welcome back to Riri Bakes and Creates. Today we'll be making a sideways cake like I said before, so let's get started. You will need a cake, ganache, buttercream, food colorings of your choice, a spatula, a paintbrush which is optional, and a scraper which is optional. Now I'm going to cut off the bottom of the cake. Now I'm positioning the cake where I want it to go on the cake board. Now I'm going to place a dollop of ganache underneath the cake and let it chill in the fridge for 5 minutes. Now I've chilled it for 5 minutes and now I'm going to crumb coat it. It doesn't need to be neat. If you want it to be neat, you can continue scraping past the point where I've stopped just to make it neater. First, I'm going to clean the board and then put on a rough coat of buttercream. I had to change the angle as I'm left-handed and I kept covering the cake with my arm. Now I'm using my flexi scraper to take off some of the excess buttercream. Now, here comes the fun part. I start off by scraping a guideline for where I want my waterfall to be. You can colour your buttercream as you would like to match your masterpiece. Here I'm showing you how to gently paint with the buttercream onto the cake as if it were a canvas. I start to add the grass and the trees along the cliff and make sure that you just have fun. Now I'm adding my last few details and then I'll be done. Here is a close-up of my masterpiece. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big like because it helps the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you never miss any of my special tutorials. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Now I'm putting a layer. It's not a layer. Now I'm going to clean the board. Now I'm cleaning. Cleaning, or I'm going to clean.
You don't show you clean.
No! I start off by scraping a guideline for where I will. I start off by scraping a guideline for where I. That's not even me. Get out. Get out the room. I start off by scraping a guideline.
Come on, please.
Don't stop it. I start to add the grass and trees along the cliff as